This is Duke University.
I feel like most little boys and a lot of little girls go through either a shark thing or a dinosaur thing. And I actually did both of those. And I grew out of the dinosaur thing and I never grew out of the shark thing. And I now work as a marine biologist at the University of Miami, where about one day a week I'm out on a boat catching sharks and studying sharks for scientific research. I've interacted with over 3,000 of them on 5 continents as of now. I'm going to do a 6th continent later this summer. And every time I see one, I still have the same feeling I did when I was a toddler. It never gets old. It's just really a feeling of awe and respect to be so close to such a powerful and graceful animal. In fact, my application essay to Duke was about the first time I swam with sharks. I got to open my essay with, "Don't worry, Dad, they don't usually eat people." And I included a picture of me face-to-face with an 11-foot sand tiger shark. There are species of sharks that glow in the dark. There are species of sharks that are bubblegum pink. There are species of sharks adapted to eat just about any animal in the ocean. Tiger sharks' teeth are sort of like can openers, and they can eat sea turtles right through the shell. Great white sharks, one of the largest species of sharks, is able to swim so fast that they propel themselves completely out of the water, chasing a seal. Many of their behaviors are much more complicated than people think. People always ask me, how smart are sharks? Well, none of them's ever going to compose a symphony, but they're smarter than people give them credit for. They are one of the most misunderstood animals in the world today, and they are certainly worthy of respect from humans, but they do not deserve the fear and the demonization that they get, particularly from many in the media. If anyone is bitten by a shark anywhere in the world, even if it's not even severe enough to require a Band-Aid, it's headline news everywhere in the world. I recently did a calculation that on the TV show 24, Jack Bauer has killed more human beings on the screen, not even referencing stories of when he was in the military in the past, than every shark attack since the year 1580 in which a species of shark has been identified. On every research trip that we go on here at the University of Miami, we bring a group of volunteers with us. It's often, but not always, a high school science class or after-school marine science club. And on every trip, they get to help. They help with everything. They help fish for the sharks, they help measure the sharks, they help attach tags to the sharks, they help take samples from the sharks. So they're up close and personal. And nothing will change someone's incorrect stereotypes and misconceptions about something faster than experiencing it up close and personal. And we've had lots of people tell us right after, well, I was always afraid of sharks, but now that I know, now that I've seen them up close and personal, I'm not anymore, and I'm going to go home and I'm going to tell people. I'm David Shiffman, class of 2007, and I am forever Duke. Basically, everyone I've ever sat next to on a plane is now a committed shark conservationist, or at least they were as of the time they left the plane.